हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 जनरल साइंस के लेसन नंबर 4 की एक्सरसाइज देखने वाले हैं। लेसन का नाम है डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट। दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि आपको अगले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। तो चलो हम आज के इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज What are the emergency contact numbers of the following? Police control room 100, fire brigade 101, ambulance 102, national level single emergency number for disaster relief 108 or 112. Question second is what first aid will you provide in the following situations? Dog bite. Answer is the wound caused by the dog bite should be washed with soap and clean germ-free water. It should be rinsed with a solution of potassium permanganate. The wound should be covered with a dry cloth and victim should be taken to doctor for dressing of the wound. Injection of anti-rabies should be given to the victim. Scratches, bleeding. Answer: the very first thing to be done in case of bleeding is to stop it. Make the person sit or lie down comfortably. The bleeding part should be cleaned with germ-free water and it should be kept above the level of the heart. Apply antiseptic cream to the wound. If the wound is deep, rush to the doctor to stitch it and get a proper medical care. Burn scalds. First of all, the extent and severity of burning should be seen. If there is a minor burn, immerse the burn part in cold water. Give cold water to the victim. Clean the wound with germ-free water and antiseptic solution. Oily ointment should not be applied. If there are serious burn, give emotional support to the victim and seek medical treatment immediately. Snake bite. Answer: wash the wound well with water and tie a tight tourniquet, that is a cloth strip, near the wound in such a way that the venom of bite should not reach the vital organs. Victim should be given emotional support and taken to the doctor as early as possible for the anti-venom injection. Sunstroke. Take the patient in a shade or in any cool place. Wipe the body with cold water. Keep the wet cloth on the neck and head. Plenty of water or sharbat should be given to avoid dehydration. If a person feels like vomiting, she should be made to lie down on her abdomen with the head turned to one side. Question 3 is write the causes of the following: flood. Answer is when there is excessive rain in the same place in a short span of time, then a river may overflow its banks. In cities, water drainage system falls short. The gutters or drainage lines are choked. This results in overflow of water on the roads and surroundings area. It may also enter the houses. Flood are caused in this way. Forest fires. The carelessness of someone can initiate the fire in the forest. If there is excessive heat and the branches rub against each other, causing friction, then naturally it can lead to forest fire too. If there is dry foliage in the forest and the winds are blowing at a speed, the forest fires spread very rapidly. Landslide, building collapse, the vibration in the earth's crust result in an earthquake. This vibration can cause collapse of buildings. If inferior material is used in the construction, then too there is a chance of collapse of buildings. Due to excessive rains or cloud bursting, landslides can take place. Storms, the formation of high and low pressure belts in the atmosphere result in changes in the weather. These pressure belts cause strong winds resulting in storm. Earthquakes, in the interior of earth there is tremendous amount of energy. This energy results in seismic wave. It causes movements of the earth's surface in the form of tremors, shaking and cracking. The vibration caused due to all these movements result in an earthquake. Question 4 is, answer the following questions. A. What is meant by disaster? Answer is, a sudden event causing large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects of our nation or society is called a disaster. What are the types of disasters? Disasters are of two kinds, namely natural disasters and man-made disasters. What is meant by disaster management? Answer, taking proper step or prevent disasters and making plans to face the likely disasters and developing the capacity of tackling such situation is called disaster management. Which are the main components of disaster management? Answer, planning and executing plans in case of disaster are the main components of disaster management. Question 5 is, find out about the work of Sarpamitra. Answer is, Sarpamitra are volunteers who help to save the snakes. If people come across any snake in their vicinity, they usually kill it even before they come to know about its toxicity. Sarpamitra go to such places, capture the snake, rescue, relocate and release them back into their natural habitats. Sarpamitra create awareness about the snakes, try to remove the myths associated with a snake and explain the importance of snake. During the festivals of Nag Panchami, if the snakes are seen to be abused, they rescue these snakes too and educate the snake charmers. Question 6 is, find out what a first aid kit box contains. Answer, first aid kit contains plaster in variety of different size and shapes, sterile gauze dressings, bandages, safety pins, disposable sterile gloves, tweezers, scissors, sticky tape, thermometer, antiseptic cream, antihistamine tablets, distilled water for cleaning wounds. Question 7 is, suggest remedial measures for dealing with natural or man-made disasters. Fire. Remedial measures. Care should be taken so that fire will not break out in jungle area. Never leave a burning matchsticks. If there is a fire, call fire brigade immediately. It is dangerous to manage the situation of fire by ourselves. we need to take proper help of fire brigade. However, initially, fire extinguishers can be used to put out the fire. Building collapse. Fire brigade should be called. Immediate efforts are to be done to save people trapped under the debris without hurting them further. First aid is to be given to the injured people. Seriously injured people should be taken to hospital. Road accident. The accident victim should be immediately taken to hospital or dispensary. Inform police. Instead of crowding at the accident site, one should immediately try to help the victim. Flood. Before the flood water rise the dangerous level, stranded people and animals should be safely removed from there. One should carefully listen to the news and forecast of meteorological departments and act accordingly. Help others to rescue people stranded in the low-lying areas. War. Wars usually take place at borders, but their effects are one entire nation. During such emergency time, we should not spread rumors, and also we should not believe in rumors. Follow the orders of police force and other agencies that are helping us for our safety. Religious discourse should not be entertained. Bomb explosion. In the last 2 decades, the threat of bomb explosion is increasing due to terrorist activities. Therefore, we should be always alert. We should not touch any unattended articles seen in public places. If any suspicious activity is seen in our area, we should immediately inform the police and ATS anti-terrorist squad. In case of calamity of bomb explosion, we should help the injured people. Earthquake. We can understand the intensity of earthquake due to instrument of seismograph. Due to advance in scientific studies, the warning about the earthquake are given in advance. We have to be ready for such disaster before, so that damage to life and property can be reduced. Deluge. The meteorological department gives warning about the deluge that is likely to occur in the near future. We should be away from river banks and low-lying areas. In such cases, people residing in such areas should be shifted before the calamity strikes. In the camp for affected people, there is provision of food packets, water and medicines. They can be saved there. Storm. Advance warning about storms are also given to the people before this calamity strikes. Large trees are uprooted in such cases. Therefore, care should be taken not to take shelter under trees. Electric supply can also disrupted. Hence, we should think of alternative arrangement. One should remain in safe places. Tsunami. The waves of tsunami can cause great damage, especially to the coastal region and on the island. Therefore, avoid such areas and one should go to a safer place. Drought. During drought, the food and water are scarce. Therefore, these basic necessities are provided from other areas. The drought-prone people and cattle are brought to the camps and are taken care of. Survival of cattle is also the most important task that has to be done by people. Landslide. Landslide may be caused due to excessive rains or cloud burst. In such situations, stay away from the region which may have threat of landslides. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और अगला वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।